their water. It's farmland for sale here, and creek. It's much water. Even long El Nino and may hubas-hubas ang tubig. The cold water. Hmm. Okay. Guys, very nice farm for sale here. This house included. There's electricity. The boundary of this is a creek. So, in the source of water. It's, lumboy, mangga. This engine mango. It's well included. Maybe fruit bearing trees. Banana trees. Avocado. Limoncito. Many coconut trees included. Again, this farmland for sale here is containing an area of 7.5 hectares. 7.5 hectares, and the price is 3 million pesos. 3 million pesos package deal. It's the clean title. Clean title. Mango trees included. 9 mango trees included. This lot for sale here is have a access road, so no problem about the road, right? Oh boy. And the distance also from the highway going up here is 3 kilometers. 3 kilometers away from the highway, and going to the sea is more or less 4 kilometers away from the sea. And also from here going to town of Talibon is more or less 14 kilometers away from Poblacion Talibon. Going to Itape is more or less 9 kilometers away from Itapi Poblacion. Again, this farmland for sale here is containing an area of 7.5 hectares, and the price of this is 3 million pesos package deal for the area of 7.5 hectares. Clean title. It's clean title. Okay. We have, 9 mango trees included, avocado, uh, labana, limonsito, avocado, nangka, and mini coconut trees included. More or less, I think, coconut trees included, 150 to 200 coconut trees included, and mini bamboo trees included. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. God bless. And if you like interested to buy this farmland for sale here in Burgos, Talibon Mall, Philippines, just call my cell number 0928 269 5367.